name, bro. I don't know how to say your name.
Yeah. No, I always get that.
Yeah. Shayla.
Shaila. Yeah.
Hi, I'm Shivani and this is my YouTube and
Hi, my name's Shaila and this is my YouTube.
so we just met 30 minutes ago and I just figured out how to say her name, Shayla.
Like
And-
just 5 seconds ago,
Yeah.
she did not say my
Before
name.
I hit the record, I was like, by the way, how do we say your name? So we have no understanding or scope of who we are as much as you guys don't know us. So we're gonna answer burning, unhinged questions that ChatGPT is gonna ask us. So I'm gonna get to know her through that and
Vice versa, we're just gonna get to know each other. Maybe, hopefully, we don't fight or like argue in the middle of this video. Half of it is gonna be on Shivani's channel and the rest will be on my channel. So go check that out.
so now let's get started.
We're starting our makeup routine. Honestly, I'm kind of daunted by the makeup routine part because mine, I feel like I'm so slow.
I also feel like both of our makeup styles are also like so
different.
Mine is just 4 products and I just do it with my hands and I can't do eyes for shit. And she's really
gonna
good.
help her with eyes, yeah.
Someone has to. And she's really good with the eye makeup and overall conceptualization, right? Mine is completely everyday makeup. Every day is everyday makeup. Even if I'm going to wedding, it's everyday makeup.
Yeah, got it.
So yours is like concepts and stuff, so that I really like. Now we're just like removing whatever is left on my face.
I already have some sunscreen on my face. I usually just like to start my routine with sunscreen. Now I was editing just one of my like beauty videos and I was like, bro, I need to shut up a little and do my steps.
But I love how we figured out a profession for us.
Yeah.
It was just like, too much you're talking.
Too much I'm talking, I'm like, I'm exposing myself too much.
So I've asked ChatGPT to ask like some unhinged questions and we haven't looked at the questions yet. So just randomly gonna go through it. What's the most delusional thing you've convinced yourself was a sign that he liked you?
Wait, I need to like think about
A
this.
lot of things.
I'm like, I have no idea. Wait, I've actually had only one boyfriend my entire life, and my situationship also was with my ex-boyfriend.
How's that situationship? Explain yourself.
Because both of us didn't want to be with each other, but you know, we just.
Oh, shut up.
Yeah, it was years after we broke up, and we just wanted to be in a situation, I guess. I don't know.
How bad was it? How did it end? How bad?
It was very bad. Like, we are on
There's
bad
so
terms.
much emotional turmoil. That's literally what
Yeah.
shouldn't be a part of a casual or a situationship.
Like, I don't even know what made us get back into a situation like that. So, like, I'll tell you this, like off the record type. So, the thing is, like, we're so perfect. We don't have to convince ourselves.
Bro, there's a concept, okay? I keep telling my friends also, love bombing will never work on me.
They will never. I'm so thing. I'm like.
Yeah, of
bro.
course he wants to marry me 2 weeks into meeting me. Of course.
Honestly, like, if he said 2 weeks and all, I'll be like, bro, what is wrong with you? You have some.
Yeah, but the thing is with me, I will believe it is normal for someone to fall in love with. You know what I'm saying? So love bombing will not work. I'm so immune to it.
Okay.
I'm like, yeah, I'm so great that of course he wants to marry me immediately.
So love bombing will not work on me. So I don't have to convince myself that he likes me.
Yeah, I have to convince myself that
Do I like
do I
him
like
enough?
enough to let him have access to me. That is more of the thing.
Girl boss.
Like, yeah, exactly.
If your situationship proposed tomorrow, would you say yes just for the plot?
Hell no. Like, I've had enough of the plot.
Yeah, you did enough.
So again, off the record.
அங்க செக்யூரிட்டி கிட்ட கொடுத்துருங்கண்ணா.
மேல கொடுத்துடு சொல்லுங்க.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Oh, we didn't tell what foundations we are using.
Oh, I haven't got a foundation.
What are you doing then?
I was putting like
A
the
glow thingy.
I was using the glow illuminator.
I've gone straight into my foundation. I'm using the Tete
yeah.
foundation. Even though I bought my MAC foundation,
Studio Radiance.
I forgot to use that. Maybe I'll mix both.
I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty Easy Blur and then go in with maybe the House Labs concealer.
How are those concealers?
House Labs concealer is really good. It's very lightweight and has like good coverage.
I've heard about that. Where do you get it though?
You don't get it here.
Yeah, that's why.
So usually either if I'm traveling or like if someone's coming
here,
I'll
you'll
just
get
ask
it
them
from
to
them.
yeah, I'll just order it to them and they'll bring it. My god, she is like
She's like, oh, I'm going out for coffee. This is my coffee shop makeup.
Bro, I'm rushing.
No, that's fine. Right, we'll go for the next question. This
What is
question,
the
every
question?
other question, you are going off the situationship proposed.
Oh, yeah. Lol. First of all, I'm just
Okay,
like
this
load
is-
dropping and she's
Left.
getting traumatized. She's like, who the hell is this girl I've met?
He's like, okay, after this, we need therapy.
Oh, wait, I'll go get the coffee.
So we ordered coffee for each other. She's got the caramel, cold macchiato caramel, and I've got the vanilla cold brew.
So, CM, I thought CM is caramel macchiato.
I ordered a vanilla some. Oh no, no, I changed.
Okay.
Mine's Spanish latte.
Oh, okay.
I'm glad I got the
That's
coffee.
good. Do you want to try this?
Yours is yummy. Yours is
Have
sweet,
more.
bro.
Have more. It's the hazelnut syrup.
Oh right, yeah. Now it makes sense why you are hazelnut.
Mm.
Which red flag turns you on a little bit?
Mm. So long since I've liked a boy, so I'm like.
Yeah, same. I'm like
I'm like so this thing about red flags now.
I feel like guys are red flags for me
Yeah,
right now. Like I don't want to do anything with boys anymore.
Yeah, like what's a red flag that?
What can I ignore comfortably?
Yeah, like comfortably ignore.
Because I'm very self-aware when I'm
Yeah,
in
yeah,
relationships.
same.
I'm like check.
I actually don't.
See, the thing is, I don't think I can let anything slide, bro.
Yeah, I wouldn't like red flags. Wouldn't turn me on.
Yeah.
It would immediately give me the ick, and I would be like so put off for the rest of the evening or whatever it is.
So okay, what's one red flag that you're like, run?
Anger issues. Anger issues I cannot deal with.
Listen, girls,
Girls.
listen to it. Because I see a lot of girls in my like DMs and all. They're like, it's okay. He comes from an upbringing where
No,
his
it's
father.
not
I'm like,
okay. It doesn't. Everyone has a different upbringing, and everyone is exposed to some form of
Yeah.
anger issues. But the way you react to a situation, you should control it. Even if raising voice is not okay to me.
See, if he's gonna punch the car seat, he can punch you.
Bro.
Punching the car seat is just
Just
him
a-
showing that I could also punch you.
Yeah.
Just
Anger issues is like just raising your voice and like insulting in an argument is enough for me to be like,
yeah, because
Why?
I also get angry. I can never like yell at my friends, yell at anybody,
yeah.
right?
Yeah.
For me, I think it would be dishonesty.
Yeah. Like same. I hate.
Because I'm one of those people who's chill about anything. Even when I'm in relationship, I'm ready. I'm like completely dressed up. And there have been times where my partner calls and tells me, you know what, baby, something happened. I would be unfazed. I'll be like, oh, is everything all right? Okay, fine. And
Yeah,
I will
I'm a
never,
very trusting- yeah.
I would never make a big deal out of anything. So if I give you that space where you can come and tell me anything, and I'm still gonna be unfazed, and if you still choose to lie,
Yeah.
then that's on you.
Yeah.
That's something
That is so true.
Yeah, you cannot even justify your lying at that bit.
Yeah,
So that's
yeah.
something I cannot do.
I'm actually exactly the same way. I'm like, okay, as long as you're honest, you're telling me.
Exactly. I appreciate honesty.
Yeah.
Even if it hurts and rips my heart out, then like there's
Then fine.
honesty.
Eventually, the truth is going to come
It's gonna come out. Like at least let me not waste 3 years or 4 years with okay, I got little too real there. This is fully hypothetical, okay?
Yeah, our hypothetical lives. This is Asim's characters. we're talking
Yeah.
about.
I'm like, this is therapy section.
I'm using the She Glam bronzer and blush.
You've gone on like 4 steps. I'm like,
I have to catch up to you. That's
I'm like, done. Next one. What's a makeup product you bought recently that's like way too expensive?
Oh,
Like way too expensive. I'm also going on top of this Titter foundation with a little bit of MAC foundation because I carried it all the way. I'm just gonna
might
use it.
as well. Yeah. Way too expensive. Definitely, that I don't use as often is this YSL lipstick. Like you know that
Oh, right.
viral one.
Yeah.
The candy glaze one. I
Yeah,
just
why
use
not
it for
use
pictures. It's not the shade I gravitate towards
But why did you get it?
because I didn't get it in person.
Oh, see,
I got
this
it.
is exactly why you shop expensive like makeup in person.
Yeah.
Like what I do is if I don't want to buy it now also whenever I'm in like airports, I'm always in those duty free shops.
Just
I'll take
trying.
picture of everything that I
Yeah.
try on. So maybe the next week I want to buy and I'm in India, I'll just order it online. Now I know shades
Yeah.
of everything and I have photos of everything.
Yeah. Repurchase it in a better color.
But better color.
Yeah, that I would use more often.
Yeah, it makes sense.
Now it's just a picture prop.
It's not even surviving through a brown pencil.
It will.
It
It
will
will
dry.
survive through a brown pencil. I never like wear lipstick without lip liner.
Yeah, same.
So-
I don't know how anyone does it.
Yeah,
Also.
like you're so brave.
It
What is
doesn't
yours?
look right. What did I get? Oh, I got those Huda thing lip marker.
Oh, how is it?
Bro, I think I'm not using it right.
Oh, lol. I've heard like very mixed reviews. Like some people love it, some people are like,
I
what
think
is
I
going
didn't
on?
store it right. Like I recently saw there's a reel that says you have to store it upside down.
Oh,
And
so
apparently
that,
the cap also mentions that you have to store it upside down.
Oh.
But I just had them rolling in my
your draw.
drawer. So I think I don't have a good verdict on it right now, and that's on me.
Okay.
So I'm gonna try it and then
Yeah,
see
but
if I like it.
I've seen like people use it and it looks pretty good. So
And see, I have like a dupe version of it. It's like from the DM Beauty, but it's not. I don't think it's as pigmented as the
Huda.
Huda one. But these guys launched before Huda,
Oh,
so I've been having this for a while.
I've actually never tried anything from DM
Oh,
Beauty.
you would love their lip oil.
Yeah, I've seen it online.
Insane,
It looks
so
really
good.
good. But yeah, Huda products are actually like very good. My favorite, one of my favorite brands.
I love how all of that works on Indian skin tone.
Yeah,
So it's very trustworthy.
yeah. Her products have never failed me.
And so long in the industry, bro.
Yeah,
As a individual
yeah.
single
She
entity.
really like built up like her whole brand just from lashes to now.
Right, correct.
Yeah.
She's that person who started with lashes. Didn't she start from YouTube? I'm not sure about her backstory.
I think she was prominent on Instagram only. It was the
Ah.
time when like Instagram was like the place to grow also, no? It was the time
Oh,
like
the liquid
the liquid
lippies
like
were
yeah.
making a big.
Remember her packaging would be like the lip in and in between the lipstick would be there.
Yeah. I feel too old.
Yeah, actually that feels like what it should be like a decade ago at least.
Yeah. Okay, I'm going. I'm just gonna use.
Rare Beauty bronzer.
Yes. If I'm bronzing, that means it's a big day.
Bronzer is like
What's your everyday makeup like?
my everyday makeup. I actually don't wear makeup every day. So if I'm going out, I just do concealer, lip tint and what is that, cheek tint, lip tint and cheek tint.
That's where we differ because for me, I wear makeup every day, even if it's light makeup.
Got it.
Because it's light, right? Anyway,
Yeah.
so I wear it every day. Then I
Yeah.
ruin my skin.
No, your skin is great. Like I just wear it because I'm like, oh, where am I going? What is that?
Yeah. Huh. What's one thing you romanticized about adulthood that turned out to be ghetto?
America.
Yeah, because you see all those
You see
movies
it,
growing
like
up.
Hollywood. You're like you're just made to like romanticize Hollywood and
It's like Disney.
yeah, Disney.
Teenagers Disney.
Yeah, but like as you grow up, you just realize like America's not it. Like I wouldn't want to like it's not on my to do
Bucket list,
bucket list
yeah.
to travel. Like I'd be fine if I never.
And it used to be everything growing up.
Yeah, and I didn't get visa there, so I'm salty. When I was younger.
She's just salty.
Give me the visa, you guys come. I would just want to go there mainly to experience like food.
Burgers and fries.
Yeah.
What the hell is the In-N-Out fries?
Yeah, the In-N-Out burgers, like I wanted to go to the West
But
Coast.
it
just
feels
for
so
that.
stupid to spend all those lakhs to just go eat fries,
Fries.
and come back.
No, literally, you can go to any other.
The ROI is not
It's
ROI.
not, yeah.
And the thing is, right, like I feel like in between growing up, you get exposed to so many other beautiful places. You're like, you put the 2 and 2 together and you're like, this does not make sense. So I keep
Yeah.
putting US back on the, I mean, it's never been on the list.
Yeah.
And I grew up and I realized, oh, Tokyo also has Disneyland. For me, the one main reason growing up, like as a teenager, is like, oh, they have Disneyland, they have fries. They have
Yeah.
Disneyland and they have fries. And then I realized everyone else also has Disneyland and fries.
Exactly. And also when it comes to TV shows, you realize that you're only watching American TV shows, but every other country has TV shows as well that are
Yeah.
equally as good. So just put on subtitles and watch a TV show. That's
What's
all.
a TV show that you're watching right now?
A TV show that I'm watching right now? Wow, I am blanking because I mainly watch anime only.
I've also been watching a couple.
What do you watch?
I'm watching Dan right
Oh,
now.
nice.
And before that, I'm sorry if I'm saying this wrong, Sakamoto Days.
Oh yeah, Sakamoto Days also
And then
is
I
good.
finished Spy Family.
Oh nice, Spy Family.
So
is very
mine's
cute.
all like gateway
yeah.
anime,
Like
not-
easy starter
yeah,
animes.
easy watch.
Yeah.
Like I did watch like Death Note like completely done.
Oh.
But that's also I feel like is a
It is like one of the like easier ones to get
easier
into
ones
if
to
you
watch.
don't watch
because it's
anime.
interesting, right? It pulls you in.
Yeah, psychological.
Dan is visually like really like.
It's visually
There,
really, really
yeah.
good. Yeah, it's a really fun looking anime.
So I'm there. Like I'm like a beginner
Yeah.
anime. What's your favorite anime to watch?
My favorite anime is One Piece. It's like no
Oh,
brainer.
right.
I have like One Piece figurines on my.
Oh yeah, those are.
Yeah, Luffy and his brother. Yeah, I like anime a lot. I'm a loser like that. Just look like I'm a baddie.
She is a baddie.
Wait,
Baddie
wait.
that likes staying home.
Staying home,
watching
stay at home
anime.
baddie. Wait, what was the question?
No, I just made up the question.
No,
What
no,
show are you
before that.
watching?
Oh.
No. What's the one thing that you romanticize that's ghetto? Oh, for me, it is curfew and freedom over choosing what to eat. Now that I live alone, there's literally nobody to impose curfew for me, right?
Okay.
But I have a worse curfew that I've imposed on
Self-imposed.
myself. That's worse than what curfew my mom set for me. And that does not make sense yet. I don't think it is something that I thought I would be doing if I get to live alone, right? Like as a teenager, you were like, let me get my own place. Let me figure out. I will have burgers and fries every day.
Every
and
day.
Mm-hmm.
And then you realize you don't want to eat that thing every single day. It's like
and you want to come back home at 7. You want to be home all the time, and that just pisses me off because I thought I would be cool. I thought I would have a social life, but that's not the case. And the thing is, one thing about adulthood, it takes so much energy to figure out what to eat.
yeah, that is so true. Like
And I have a cook at home. She is also figuring out with us. She is like, bro, just figure out what you want to eat. We are like, dal, and she's like, every day
Every
I'm making
time.
dal and rasam for these
Are you
girls.
an inmate, like an inmate.
So I think it takes a lot of energy to figure out what you eat. And also curfews are apparently nice, and I hate that for myself. But yeah, that's something I romanticized when I was young, but it's too ghetto now.
Mom will ask me what you want to eat. I'm like, I
Like,
don't know,
bro, just
you
make
decide.
something. Yeah, just make something.
But then she gets upset because then after it's made, I'll be like, why is this made?
What's your clean girl product?
No, it's this one.
Okay.
Now I do know a little bit about clean girl makeup. It's this liquid illuminator. It's actually a dupe.
Is this the one that you use before you're doing your base?
Yeah, this
Oh.
is from Mars. It's actually a dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury and Elf Halo Glow one. It's like so inexpensive. I think it's like $800 or something, and it's really nice. It's just like a skin glows situation. You can just use it under makeup.
So it
And-
brings out the
Yeah, this is what I
shine.
use when I just want to wear like nothing.
Sometimes you can
anti-rub.
just do that and sunscreen together also.
Yeah. Product. What do you like to use?
Oh, I don't have it with me. I like the tints. Like I like the Benetint, and also if Benetint is too expensive, I like the Etude one.
Yes,
it almost feels the
Etude is
same.
so good, yeah.
So I just do the tint here,
Yeah.
and I'm done. Like
Yeah, the
it's
tint
just
is
one
my
product.
favorite.
Yeah.
Is it the water tint that my water tint broke on my wall?
Is that the mark? That look like foundation.
But yeah, Etude is like
Really
so inexpensive and it's so good.
And it does the same freaking thing that the Benetint,
Benetton
does.
Actually, I feel like it's more pigmented than the actual
Is it?
the initial Benetton.
I haven't compared it side to side. I need to do that.
It's Benetton is very expensive for what it is for sure.
And it's perfect for like college girls who have not had in hand with makeup before, and you just want to start. Like perfect product for you to
Yeah.
get. Cheap, and it does makeup for your whole face.
Yeah.
It's not like just for the eyes or just for the lips or just for the cheeks. So
Yeah, it's like a great product, I must agree.
what's your toxic trait? Again, I'm like, I have a lot.
I have a lot, so I should like think about. I
That
think
also I'm very self-aware.
I'm very self-aware about my things, so I'm like, which one do I bring out to the table now?
Which one makes me look okay?
I feel like procrastination is my like I know I have to do it,
Yeah.
but it's like
And
so
I
hard to
will
get
do
out.
it also. But I will make it
Till the last minute. I'm like, why do I do this to myself? I don't know.
Do you think it's because both of us like do content creation full time and
It could be that also, but then same way for my board exams, okay?
she's always been like that then?
My board exam, I started studying because I know I'm going to do well.
Yeah.
I studied 1 month before fully and I got like 96%. So I'm like,
See, I prove like it proves
it's a proven method.
Yeah, it proves something to your head, so you never change.
Yeah, like same way in college, the girls who would study throughout the year would be getting the same marks as us studying 2 days before the
So
exam.
it does not make sense. Like you will never want to change.
Yeah, but I do want to make that a better. Like, yeah, it's like a bad habit.
See,
to
now
have.
it's like really draining, right? Like, because
Yeah.
now our work revolves around a lot of like being creative, and once you have an idea, you have to execute it, or else it just
Yeah, otherwise it
disappears.
disappears and you lose motivation to do that.
exactly.
Yeah.
So this procrastination is not really helping anyone's case right now.
Yeah,
And that
procrastinate.
combined with Instagram screen time. And the
Yeah.
issue with again being a content creator, right? Like when you're on Instagram, you think it's research.
Yeah, but then
But it was never
It's
research.
never research because my feed is not
Brain
like-
rot.
Brain rot.
There's not one video that has any alignment with what I want
Yeah,
to do.
because the audios I have saved are all like brain rot ones that I'm like, I'll film this with my friend one time.
Yeah, and it
never happens. Because my friends don't want to film with me. I have to like drag them by the hair.
Bro, I film them like a creep. I'm like, oh, like that's doing something. I'll add this to the vlog. And they're like, when are you shooting all this? They call me walking CCTV camera.
No, I'm like the group
Yeah.
photographer. Even me, we'll go out one night. I'll be taking pictures of everyone. I'm on it. I'm on it.
Yeah.
I'm the digicam, phone camera, everything. I'm just like, and then next day I'll individually select what they are in and send it to them.
So cute. Everyone needs a
They're
friend like
Thank
that.
you. I love taking pictures of my friends. That it's just memories because
I love that. And the thing is, whenever I'm sad, no, I'll go through things in my gallery. I'll go and I'll look at
Yeah.
people's things. I love doing that.
such a memory holder.
Same. I love like holding my boarding passes.
Yeah.
Receipts.
Yeah. I have like what is that? Like a memory box where I just like dump it. Like I know it's there. Not like I'll actively go and look there, but I know it's there.
It's there. It feels comforting. Yeah.
Because both of us are like we're so perfect. We know everything.
Oh, we are really like literally so perfect. Bro, I always have this attitude, okay? If I'm dating a guy, that means that guy did some good deed in his life. I'm like, bro, you have to be so grateful that I chose to be with you. Like, see, I talk all this, right? But when I'm actually in a relationship,
It's so different.
So damaging to my aura, the kind of shit that I do and pull in a relationship.
Same. Like,
I do all this yapping. I'm like, oh, girl boss, dark feminine energy.
when relationship, I'm such a pick me.
Bro, the kind of shit that I say, my worst fear is someone looking at me and actually knowing what I pull in a relationship.
I was having the same conversation with my friend. He's like, you also need to be a little performative. I'm like, you think when I like a guy I won't be? I'm like, I'll be like, football. I love football, basketball.
Bro, I know so much about football and cars just because my ex liked football and cars.
Yeah, because you're just like, oh wow, I'm so interested.
Yeah. How do you think I started watching anime?
Wow.
A guy likes watches anime, okay? I'm like, oh, I also do. So now I don't know what and who I'm watching anime for, but I'm watching anime.
It's fine. It doesn't matter who introduced
See,
you.
but I'm glad at least. Like I'm picking up personalities from them and making my own
Yeah.
Build-A-Bear situation for myself. Would you rather date someone who's obsessed with you but embarrassing in public, or someone who's a 10 but gives you mild anxiety?
Oh, definitely the first one.
Yeah.
I do not get like first of all, no man is a 10 in the first place. I've never
Amen.
seen a 10. Like
I see so many women every day, at least 5-6 women every day, that's a 10.
yeah, like even if I see an attractive man, I'm just like, okay, he's attractive. So
What's
what?
wrong with you now? Let's figure that out.
Like, okay, you're just attractive. I never actively think about them after that. I'm just
Yeah.
like, yeah, okay. It's more peaceful that way.
You know how I look at men, no? Like they pass by, it's like, looks like one that goes to gym.
Yeah, that's
Looks
all.
like one that does not go to gym but still looks good. That's all. I just have
Yeah.
those. But when I look at a woman, I'm like, wow.
Wow. It's like,
Look at, she looks like a
Like,
goddess.
I'm like, oh, she's so cool. I just want to go say hi to
Bro,
her.
and I go like a creep also to these women.
Same.
Yeah.
I'm just like, I love this one.
Oh,
I love your
what
hair.
you're wearing.
So good. Like, and women just, you think that they are a bitch until you go and talk to them.
Yeah.
Everyone's like
And all of a
that.
sudden, I love when their face just changes.
Yeah, like, you know, if you see something that you like on someone, just go tell
Go
them.
and tell
It'll
them.
make their day.
Yeah. But go give compliments, girls. Go
Yeah.
give compliments.
Everyone needs a compliment once in a while.
I
Or
love
maybe
how
not.
we made this whole guy thing into a girl thing now. I have
Always.
never complimented a guy.
Apart from my friends, obviously, like not
Yeah,
an
yeah,
actual
yeah.
man. Like, first of all, I'm a huge bitch to any guy I meet. You can't bypass this phase of me. Means you're not gonna get to the actual version of me.
Yeah.
I'm like not rude. I'm just like, who do you think you are? that
Yeah,
you're
yeah, yeah,
talking
yeah.
to.
I'm always in an assignment to humble them.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, it's an assignment that God has
I
given
feel like
me.
it's my duty.
Yeah.
Someone needs to.
And
humble
they're
them.
probably nice people, okay?
Yeah,
I don't
yeah.
know. Okay, now this is where my face is, this is where our face is. What we're gonna do is we're gonna continue the rest of the questions and
Rest of the makeup on my channel, so go over to see some rest of our juicy gossip, us exposing ourselves and stuff. So
you can follow me on Instagram. This is my user ID.
and my user is Shara Laiham, just the same thing everywhere.
Yes.
So we will see you on my channel. Bye.